Chapter 31. The Skin 1. A. Some types of the skin lesion. Medical term. Common word. Features. Macule, spot, not raised above the surface of the skin. Papule, spot, raised above the surface of the skin. Nodule, lump, a large papule. Vesicle, a small blister. Fetal with fluid. Bola, blister, a large vesicle. Pustule, fetal with pus. Crust, scab, dried blood, etc. on the surface of the skin. Scales, a thin layer of epidermis separate from the skin. Cicatrix, plural, cicatrices. Scar, a mark on the skin after healing. Nevus, birthmark, a colored skin lesion present at birth. Fleshy nevus, mole, a raised brown nevus. Verruca, warrant, a nodule produced by HPV. Furuncle, a boil, a large pustule of the skin abscessed. Note: the liquid, often yellow, formed as a result of infection is pus. If a lesion is pustular, it is fetal with pus. Fetal with pus. B. Rash. A single skin lesion can be regular or irregular in shape. When there are multiple lesions, especially macules or papules, the result is a rash or spots in common language. For example, the rash of an infectious disease such as rubella. A rash is said to erupt or break out. My little boy has breakout in spots in a rash all over his body. The following features of the skin lesion are usually noted: location, size, shape, color, type. For a rash, note also distribution with spread on many parts of the body or localized on one part only. Grouping, scattered, many or less evenly spread out, or clusters, small groups.